Let's take a look today at this beautiful 2023 MK Coach Lincoln Nautilus Legacy that just arrived from the factory. This is a great coach to get into, especially if you're looking to match up with another one of your Lincoln Nautilus hearses or update your fleet into the latest Lincoln body style. This is a great coach, brand new from the factory, no miles on it, and it's something we can get you into today. So that is a beautiful car available, already equipped with all-wheel drive. We also have four-way clear strobes up in two in the front grille, and then you'll also see one off to the lower and the right part of your bumper, the lower left and right part of that bumper. And those are great if you're ever coming around a double parked car or a blind corner. You can kind of wedge the front end of your hearse out and hopefully gain people's attention with those side strobes. But great visibility, can easily add more if that's something you wanted to equip. You can go all the way up to 360 strobes, so you can basically surround this entire car, and easily something we can do here. But already equipped with that four-way clear up front. You'll notice along the side here, you also have some beautiful stainless options. So you have the B and C pillar stainless as well as the stainless crown band, which allow that exterior to pop much more while going down the road and give that vehicle a higher end appearance than just that plain black look. So definitely nice options to have for your funeral home, and then also a great option on the back end when you go to trade that vehicle in. More options the better for that trade value, so those are all things that'll help you with that. But moving along the side of this vehicle, you'll see you have the black painted body as well as a full tuxedo black top. So all composite conversion area and doors on this MK Coach. So I'll pop open this door number 2 on your passenger side. So this is your church truck area. But you'll notice right here in this molding, this is an all composite door as well as that conversion area and your load door. So never have to worry about any sort of rust or corrosion popping up on the exterior. And moving you into this church truck compartment, this does have a newer option which is exclusive to this Lincoln Nautilus, and that is the sliding church truck tray. So to gain access to that church truck area, you have this little flip lid here. Simply put that up in place, unlock that tray from the side, and that will allow this entire tray to pull all the way out, making that church truck very easy to gain access to. Same thing when you put it back, you put that church truck down, lift that lever up, and push that all the way in until you hit that lock point, which will secure that in place. And then just moving a little further up to in front of that, you'll notice there's also a little area designated for your umbrella storage area as well. Moving you back to the load door area or the rear area of this coach, there's some great options that I want to highlight for you. One that you don't see too often is they kept that pinstripe all the way from the side of the car down with the body lines on that load door. So another option that you don't see too often but was added to this coach is that little lower stainless piece. So it gives it a nice higher end look, kind of coincides with the stainless that you have on the side of the coach and over the top. So just gives that a higher end appearance. And is very easy to replace if you ever needed to. But also all composite load door, so never have to worry about any rust or corrosion on here. MK Coach has one of my favorite load doors. Opens up really wide and allows you a ton of room to be able to get in between that casket and the back of the coach, so it makes it very easy to load or unload that casket out of the back. You do have a couple of bumper guards on the back here, so you can butt that church truck right up against the back in addition to your fold down bumper carpet. So really nice piece just to add some protection to that rear bumper. And when you're done with it, you just simply fold that right up and put that right back into place. And along the back, I do want to highlight as well, you have your backup sensors as well as your backup camera here. And then these lower lights are your reverse lights. So those will kick on when you put that car in reverse just to show some, basically create awareness that you're backing up that vehicle. But really nice having the backup sensors and backup camera. Makes it much easier maneuvering these cars in a tighter cemetery or parking lot. Moving into the casket compartment, you can see you have a really nice lit up casket compartment. It is a neutral sidewall, titanium headliner, and a black fusion floor. So a very nice look and very clean as well. Moving over to your door number 2 on your driver's side, this will gain access to your compact spare tire. So you can see this is located just on the opposite side of your church truck area, underneath this little carpet here. So nice and hidden away, looks nice when it's in place, but there if you ever need to use it. and your jack kit is located just off to the left in your umbrella storage area here. So very easy to access. Hopefully never need it, but it's there if you do. Another really cool piece that is specific to this coach is this little scuff pad that they have here. They also matched it on your church truck door as well, so it'll protect that rear or that bottom rocker area from any damage. And if that was ever to start looking dinged up over time, that's also a piece that can be easily replaced down the road. Now, bringing you up a little bit further, there's a couple of exterior options that are specific to the Lincoln Nautilus that I want to highlight. One that's really cool is this lockout feature where you can basically program a code in, share that with your drivers or the funeral directors at the funeral home, and keep that on hand. So if you were to ever lock the keys inside the car, you simply punch in that code and that will allow you to gain access. No issues there. So basically allow you right in that car right away. Don't have to worry about somebody running back to the funeral home, and you can stay on the road and on the service. Another key piece to this coach is the blind spot indicators, which are really important when half of that car is driver's side and passenger side mirror. Really help increase the safety to the driver and hopefully prevent any sort of damage while on the road. Now moving you into the driver compartment, you'll notice you have a really high-end driver compartment in this coach. You have black leather seats that are electric adjusting, so you can adjust those to your comfort. You have electric adjusting side mirrors, telescopic steering wheel, and then some great technology including Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, backup camera, Bluetooth connection, OnStar capabilities, and many more. So definitely feel free to give us a call if you'd like some further information or pricing on this coach. This definitely won't last long, being one of the last remaining all-wheel drive Lincoln Nautiluses available around the country. So definitely give us a call for any further pricing or information.